Hey everyone, this is the solve for the Pequeño Picasso, but before I start, let's just go over the rules real quick. Objective, get the $400 in Lego cash. Caveman rule, do not bang, hit, drop, jar, or throw. Brute force rule, don't force movements. When pieces are allowed to move, they will move freely or with smooth resistance rather than suddenly. Johnny 5 rule, each puzzle has at most a single tool piece that will separate from the box. If you are using more than one separate piece as a tool, then you are beginning to disassemble the puzzle. Don't disassemble. The full build tutorial is on our channel. Okay, so let's get started with the solve. I have not solved this box before. This seems kind of like it wants to move, but it is not moving yet. And I can see we need to push each of these with this tool. Okay, so here's the first money. I got it by pushing this rod in, and then the money comes out on the other side, like that. Okay, and that daisy chain there allows this middle centerpiece to slide over and push this money out. Okay. Well, this is over. That allows room for this money to come out. That, which then it appears as if allows this piece to move in. Yes. Okay. And there's the full solve of the Pequeño Picasso. I'm done.